Hello children, I thought of a nice game that you can play with your mommy and daddy by using the same objects as for the dance that we played before, okay? These are wooden spoons to cook in the kitchen, right? Okay. Have you heard the sound that they make here? But what about using the other end of the wooden spoon? Let's try. Well, you have to find another object from Mommy's kitchen, which is the chopping board. Chopping board to cut vegetables and other things, the bread, okay? Well, when you find the chopping board, you can listen to the sound that the wooden spoons can make on the chopping board. Do you like it? Yes. Is it similar to the rain sound? What do you think? So, today our game is a sort of sound exploration of the objects that we have at home to make the sound of rain. I think it's a nice game to play with your mommy and daddy. So, for instance, you can start by simulating the light rain when it starts falling down from the sky, very slow and very lightly. Heavy rain is coming. Faster. Well done. What else do I have here? I have my little bongo, right? Okay, this is a little drum. If you have one, like a little drum at home, you can also listen to the different sound that a wooden spoon can make on the drum. Let's try. It's different. Can you hear it? Yes. Good. Let's try. We start with a very light rain, okay? And then it gets heavier and heavier, like a storm. Storm! Stop! Finish. This storm is finished. Now maybe there's another object that you can find in your kitchen. This, it's a cooking pot, okay? The cooking pot will have a different sound. Let's hear it. Are you ready? Light rain. More rain. Faster. Heavier. Heavy rain. Storm. Stop. Okay. What about outside? Is it still raining? I can't see now. Okay, so I think it's a nice game. You can enjoy yourself playing the kitchen objects like cooking pots or chopping boards, or you can use your own imagination. And since I introduced you to this object, to the wooden spoons, today you can play music with these, okay? Please, let me see your videos or something that you recorded, audios, something from you and your activity at home, because really I miss you so much. So I would like to see you making any kind of activities in English if possible. Okay? Enjoy and see you tomorrow. You will find something, don't forget, in the do-it-yourself section for our manual activities, okay? Bye, children. Have a nice day.